Hello everyone, we are Crazy Animals, and here is our members. Today our topic is plastic surgery. Plastic surgery is a magical medical technology. It can let you become more beautiful or more handsome through some technology and make you from old to young, from bad to good. All of us know what is plastic surgery, but today we will introduce some difference, like infections, surgery failed. Today we will start at introducing some common plastic surgery technology, and then all the surgery will have some sequel. We will introduce this, and then is some example about surgery failed.
Now I will introduce some common plastic surgery. Breast augmentation. Breast augmentation, also known as augmentation mammoplasty or boob job, is plastic surgery terms for the breast implant and the fat graft mammoplastic approach to increase the size, change the shape, and alter the texture of the breast of a woman. Botulinum toxin or Botox. Botox is a drug made from a neurotoxin produced by the bacterium Clostridium botulinum called botulinum toxin. It is used medically to treat certain muscular conditions and cosmetically remove wrinkles by temporarily paralyzing muscles. Facelift. Facelift, technically known as a rhinoplasty. It is a type of cosmetic surgery procedure used to give a more youthful facial appearance. Liposuction. Liposuction is a type of cosmetic surgery that removes fat from the human body in an attempt to change its shape. Hyaluronic acid injection. Hyaluronic acid filter acts like an inflated cushion to support facial structures and tissues that may have lost volume or elasticity due to normal aging. It also brings water to the surface of skin to keep it looking fresh and supple. Double eyelid surgery. Double eyelid surgery is a blepharoplastic procedure used to create a subprotarsal epicanthic fold in the upper eyelid of the patient who lacks such a crease. Rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty, commonly known as a nose job, is a plastic surgery procedure for correcting and reconstructing the form, restoring the functions, and aesthetically enhancing the nose by resolving nasal trauma, congenital defect, respiratory impediment, or a failed primary rhinoplasty.
Hello teacher, my name is Li Junyu, and next I want to introduce plastic fill. Many people mistakenly assume that cosmetic surgery isn't as serious as other type of surgeries, but all surgeries, even just a simple dental procedure, present the possibility of serious complications. So in fact, plastic surgery can lead to the following complications. First, this is slight symptoms like poor cosmetic outcome. You may get a scar on your face if the plastic surgery failed, and also you may become facial asymmetry. And although this is just a slight symptom, this may be the greatest fear of a plastic surgery patient, a result that not only fails to improve appearance, but actually makes one's appearance worse than before the surgery. And then this is serious symptom. Serious symptoms can be like nerve damage or numbness. In some cases, nerves may be damaged or severed during any surgery procedure. And when those nerves are injured, the outcome may be the inability to make facial expression or like dropping of eyes or mouth like pictures on the PowerPoint. And last, how can we reduce the risk of plastic surgery? Like first, choose the surgeon who performs the procedure wisely. Second, change your lifestyle. And third, eating a healthy diet. And change your lifestyle and eating a healthy diet may make you heal faster.
Today I will introduce some plastic surgery failure. After doing a facial plastic surgery, there must be a certain degree of risk. Experts found that for some women, a small plastic is not enough. At first, you might want to adjust the shape of the chin, but not every surgery is successful. Look at these two pictures. Some light failure make a right mouth, and some make your face not coordinate, and a stiff smile. Surgeons have overestimated even the best doctor. They have a 10% to 15% of cases need to do repair surgery. Some people do repair surgery to improve the effects of the first surgery. There are people to do reconstructive surgery to restore doctor's morphology, so they receive further surgery. This is Carol Bryan. The doctor inject too much. Some experts believe the blind pursuit of the perfect look. Some women will lose self-control. In fact, about 15% of plastic surgery suffering from body image disorder, 体相障碍症, their appearance is not flawed, but patients subjectively consider themselves ugly in anguish.
Hello, I'm Kyle. She is Han Hui-jin, who was a model from Korea and was called Aunt Fan. When she went to Japan, she fell into a web of plastic surgery because the bigger face let people feel more strong. In order to prepare herself, she accepted injection surgery, which can let face become bigger. Then she became crazy to do injection surgery, and her face swung like a fan. Now, Aunt Fan is 50 years old. To become more beautiful, she still do the surgery. Finally, her face is surgery formed like this. Brazilian star Rocky, who get the good shape of butt by the plastic surgery, won the second place on Miss Bang Bang in 2012. But she had a serious sclera and was even dying because she was inject body filler to the body. Luckily, the situation improved, and she shared a series of her disgusting type with 4 big holes. Now, I will report the remedy for lymphoma filter like a picture. Look at picture. It is a case occurred last night. A woman felt a liposuction. It left her thigh uneven. If she want to let her thigh recover, she needs to do the filling fat surgery at least 4 times, and it can completely let her thigh fail, but only improve the situation. The most important thing is that choose the right surgeon to help, or it may let the situation become more serious. After the many times remedy, we can see that her thigh become filtered. Then we see a case about the remedy for silicone beauty fail. The proportion of chain pad which crowd off is more than we imagine a lot. Though it may not upset on the appearance. Many customers can fail it by their hand. So, how to do if it happens? There are 3 choices we can consider. First, find the original surgeon to try. Second, remove it by surgery. The last choice is to fix the artificial chain, and the last choice is the most emphasis.
Now I want to make some conclusion. Every time you want to have a plastic surgery, you might think carefully. Though surgery can make your dream come true, to become more good on face or on figure, but it always have risk. And we should know that all things have good sides and bad sides. If the surgery is successful, it's good, but if surgery is failed, it's terrible. So if you have so much problem or have some extreme need to do surgery, maybe keep intact is a good choice. And then is our reference. Now, if you have any question, you can ask.